in Davenport, Florida and need powerful cooling? Choose Top Tech Air Solutions for high-efficiency air conditioning installation that cuts energy costs and keeps you comfortable. Expert installation for homes and businesses. Energy Star registered trademark certified systems. Clean, fast, and efficient service. Lower energy bills. Same-day appointments. Built to handle Florida heat. Call 407-557-7935. AC installation, heating repairs, HVAC tune-ups. Visit toptech-air-tech-air-Davenport-Phyl. Top Tech Air Solutions. Davenport's trusted HVAC experts.